XPeng X2. A new flying car prototype with autonomous capabilities has been unveiled by XPeng X2. The X2, as it is called, is the fifth-generation flying car from XPeng. The flying car from XPeng X2 weighs 360 kilograms and can handle a maximum takeoff weight of 560 kilograms. Since it is battery electric, the X2 has endurance for 35 minutes of flight time and can reach a maximum speed of 130 kilometers per hour. The X2 has also been designed with capabilities to perform autonomous flight path planning. This technology is supported by multiple sensors, allowing the fifth-generation vessel to monitor the ground, assist in returning to land, and communicate in real time over a distance of 100 kilometers. It also comes equipped with a 24-hour monitoring system to spot any potential issues before they escalate. The electric vehicle gets aerial, thanks to 8 propellers across 4 axes, offering multi-motor power backup. XPeng's new X2 flying car also comes complete with an ejection parachute. Hyundai SA1 Air Taxi. Hyundai Motor Company is joining Uber's Elevate initiative with a new electric vertical takeoff and landing air taxi model called SA1. Hyundai revealed the aircraft, and its partnership with Uber is the first automotive manufacturer to sign on to Uber's urban air mobility vision. The 4-passenger SA1 is optimized for Uber's urban air mobility mission, with a target cruise speed of up to 180 miles per hour, a projected range of 60 miles, and a recharging time of 5 to 7 minutes during peak operating hours. The fully electric, winged aircraft features 4 sets of stacked co-rotating propellers for vertical flight and 4 tilting propellers for both vertical and forward flight. It is designed to take off and land vertically and transition to a wing-borne lift on a cruise. For safety, the SA1 will have a parachute deployment system for emergency landings. Hyundai expects its air taxis to be piloted initially, but the transition to autonomous operations over time. Jetson One. Jetson is developing electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft called the Jetson One, which is a small helicopter, a vertical takeoff and landing vehicle. It weighs 86 kilograms in total, while the pilot can weigh up to 95 kilograms. Jetson says it can fly for a full 20 minutes with an 85 kilograms pilot on board, up to a limited top speed of 63 miles per hour, which is more than fast enough for your average consumer. The safety features of the aircraft include complete propulsion redundancy, triple redundant flight computer, ballistic parachute, safety cell chassis, crumble zones, LiDAR-aided obstacle and terrain avoidance, hands-free hover and emergency hold functions, propeller guards, and a composite seat with a harness. The Jetson One requires virtually no maintenance. It is an extremely compact VTOL that recharges faster than a smartphone. Airbus VSR700. Airbus announced the VSR700 vertical takeoff and landing unmanned aerial vehicle, entirely opening its flight envelope at low speed. Airbus noted that the latest trials bring the current number of flight hours logged to 10 and bring the program closer to its goal of operating from a French Navy vessel at sea. After reaching a speed of 60 knots, VSR700 swiftly moves toward the threshold needed to perform the sea demonstration for the French Navy. The VSR700 is essentially a helicopter's gimbal Cabri G2 light helicopter that has been fitted with autonomous technologies that include a sense and avoid capability. While no performance specifications for the VSR700 have been disclosed, the Cabri G2, on which it is based, is powered by a Lycoming O360 piston engine, has a gross weight of 700 kilograms, a maximum speed of 185 kilometers per hour, a range of 700 kilometers, and a service ceiling of just under 13,000 feet. Being autonomous, the VSR700 operator supervises the flight plan rather than flying the aircraft itself. EURONAVAL Rafael. With the Blue Shark, Naval Group offers an evolutionary vision of a fast, discreet, efficient, and resilient combat ship that can be integrated into a collaborative naval force, while ensuring a reduced environmental impact. It is prepared for high-intensity collaborative combat, unobtrusive, efficient, and resilient. Blue Shark is part of a naval force, equipped with offensive and defensive weapons and the capacity to implement all types of drones. The Blue Shark is integrated with 20 technologies. This includes designing the 5,500 tons, 160-meter ship as a stabilized steel monohull to reduce hydrodynamic resistance. This configuration achieves speeds of up to 30 knots, compliance, and delivers silent running in diesel-electric mode, zero emissions, and extremely low acoustic signature in an all-electric mode powered by the fuel cell and battery. Nuclear-powered aircraft. Naval Group, a leading French shipbuilding defense company, unveiled a scale model of the nuclear-powered, next-generation aircraft carrier during the biennial EURONAVAL trade conference. The warship, designated as New Generation Aircraft Carrier, is scheduled to replace the current aircraft carrier, the Charles de Gaulle, of the French Navy by 2038. The vessel will be constructed by Portagians. The ship will be 75,000 tons in weight, 310 meters 1017 feet long, and 85 meters 279 feet broad at its widest point on the carrier deck. GM Flying Cars. General Motors officials announce an ambitious vision for electric and autonomous vehicles, a futuristic flying car drone concept, and 3 new EV models based on a more efficient modular battery system called Ultium. The one-seater flying vehicle is dubbed Electric Vertical Takeoff and Landing. It has 4 rotors and the ability to take off and land vertically. The drone uses a 90 kilowatt-hour EV motor to power 4 rotors and has air-to-air and air-to-ground communications.